Hey everybody, we wanted to give you a quick demo of the My AI Marketing Accelerator tool. So the way that this tool works is like this. By simply giving it a URL or a text, My AI Marketing Accelerator can produce over 30 pieces of marketing content for you. So in this example, what we've done is we provided a URL, then we go on to select the language model we want to use, and in this version, you have access to the 3.5 language model. And then what you're going to do is simply click submit and allow this tool to go to work for you. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about the way My AI Marketing Accelerator actually produces the amazing content that it does. When you put a URL into the field, our tool will actually go and extract the text from that field and then feed it back into the system, and then using AI create the best marketing content based off of the marketing module our system is actually going through at the time. And as you can see on this page, there's just a load of amazing content. And the great thing is that you can make a decision to save all the content if you want to save it all, and you can save it to a folder, or if you want to save individual pieces of content here, you can do that as well. It's a very flexible system. So you've got a lot of flexibility with this tool. In addition to putting in a URL and running all 30 plus marketing modules, you also can just select which marketing modules you actually want to use. And we recommend this because it allows you to use the tool more efficiently and get the information that you're looking for right away. And in this example, we supplied the tool with our sales page, and you were able to see examples of that content as I was scrolling down the page. Now, I mentioned this earlier, but what you're also able to do is, in addition to providing our tool, My AI Marketing Accelerator, with a URL, you can also go ahead and enter in text. And I'm giving an example here, and I'm telling you, when you're using the tool, you want to be a little more robust with the text that you put in here. But I just put in a real quick sentence saying I have a business that provides marketing services to dental offices and doctors' offices, and I want this software to produce marketing content based off of this information. And in this particular scenario, we're going to change up the prompts, marketing modules that we want to use just a little bit. As you see here now, we've got the promo email, marketing hooks, and blog writer. And we're back. And ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, even though we provided this tool with a very short sentence, our application provided us with some amazing marketing content. So with that, that's the end of our demo. We wanted to keep this demo short, but we wanted you to be able to see that this is not only a simple tool to use, but it's also one that's extremely powerful. There are a lot of creative ways to use it, and once you get into the tool, you're really only limited by your imagination.